Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a quick review on the Anytone AT-6666. I get a whole lot of questions about this radio. Don't have a whole lot of videos out there about it. Still got a few of these hanging around. Haven't got them listed on the www.truckscbsales.com website yet, but still moving some on the side. So let me just tell you, this radio is somewhat menu driven, but once you get those settings set, you're done. So you can push and hold menu here, and you can select your color. Use this selector button to push in, and you turn it to the color you want. Push the button again, and you can cycle through so many different settings. I prefer to key the mic to return back to normal settings. Then there's a sub menu. If you push and hold the selector, it takes you into your high cut filter, noise blanker, echo, 10 kilohertz, and Roger beat. Okay, and also it's got a DTMF capability as well if you add that board. Okay, so I already set this one up. I'll show you what it's got. I'm going to turn the RF power all the way down. We're on upper sideband. 100 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. 1 2 1 2. Hello. About 30 watts. Throw the RF power all the way up. Hello. 1 2. That's right, 100 watts in the corner. Okay. Now there is a couple extra mods you can do. One that I do recommend that this one hasn't got yet is the voltage regulator upgrade. If you're going to run AM, makes it handy. There's your FM, 100 watt slug. You'll do 45 watts all the way up on FM. Go to AM, roll it all the way down. Now we do set them 5 watt slug at a 2 watt carrier all the way down. And the reason we do that, a lot of guys run amplifiers that require a 100 watt driver, so we want to give you full adjustability. 100 watt slug, roll it all the way up. There's 20 watts. Hello audio. 100 watts in the corner. Check average power. Hello 50 bird or so, maybe a little more. These have a great receiver on them. It's surface mount board, so you don't have to worry about any kind of cold solder joints. Very compact. See, it's loaded. I mean, I don't know what else you could ask for in a radio. Sometimes the price scares people a little bit because of the size of the radio, but it's packed. Very good price. These and the strikers are my favorite. So if it's something you're interested in, you can give me a shout. Check me out on the website, www.truckscbsales.com, or email me at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Enjoy. Bump bump.